Reasons Financial Corporation is a member of S&P 500 Index and is one of the nation's largest full-service providers of consumer and commercial banking, wealth management, and mortgage products and services. Reasons serves customers across the South, Midwest, and Texas. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I am back with another how-to video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of enrolling for the online banking service of Reasons Bank. So let's get started and find out how you can do so. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.reasons.com and hit it. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Reasons Bank. Now, as you can see at the right side of the screen, you are being asked for your online ID. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see an option, Enroll in Online Banking. Click on it. To get started, you need to enter your social security number, and if you don't have a social security number, click right here. You'll then be asked for your enrollment ID instead. If you don't have that information also, then you can call on the number given here for further assistance. After that, enter the email address and check on this box to confirm your email. Then enter your phone number and select what kind of bank account you want to enroll in Reasons Online Banking. You can either choose personal banking, business banking, or personal and business banking. If you choose personal banking, you need to enter your customer number and your personal Reasons account number. After filling in the fields, you need to click on Next and then follow the further instructions provided and give all the details that will be asked to enroll for the online banking service of Reasons Bank. So this is how you can register for the online banking service of Reasons Bank. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.